Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to sell your Canva templates on Shopify? This tutorial will cover everything from setting up your Shopify store, listing your templates, and promoting them to your target audience. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about this big word of Canva's design marketplace. If you didn't know, people are making thousands of dollars each month just by selling Canvas templates that are pretty easy to make, just drag and drop. They are pretty simple to create, and there is already template that you can just adjust and edit and make them unique and stand out within the business marketplace. So before we get started with this video and try to actually sell it on Shopify, we are going to talk about specific rules that people have to understand before we get to create a store on Shopify and add our design into it. So first of all, there is this article by Canva that talks about use Canva design digital and physical products for sale. So here, what's allowed and not. So here they will cover more details and scenarios in this section below, but here are things you need to generally keep in mind when using Canva to create and sell designs. First of all, you can only sell original designs. If you want to create a product you can sell, it needs to be an original design. You can sell any Canva content on a standalone basis. Creating an original design means using Canva content with a combination of design elements. For example, images, videos, audio files, other media, text, illustrations, background features, etc. And editing techniques to make a new creative work. So basically here they are telling you, so let's just get into a real action. So let me just show you exactly what they mean. So let's open one of these designs that are pretty made already by Canva so we can use them. Customize this template, and there we go. So if I went right now and I try to create nope, no thanks, I try to create a product page for this template on my Shopify store, Canva can literally just sue me and stop and shut down my store right away, because this is not a unique design. They need us to actually add stuff to this design so it can be unique somehow. Now this design, you might tell me, it's already perfect, it has everything. What can we do to make it better or change anything in it? Well, first of all, what I do usually with designs in Canva is I create multiple pages and I start adding similar content or similar templates to these pages. So let's go here and add, for example, let's go with something that has a lot of colors, etc. For example, this one, and let's go back and let's add this one. So as you can see right here, we have these three designs. Now these three designs, let me just continue editing. Alright, so as you can see here, we have these three designs, and what I want to do exactly is to actually manage these colors. So I'm gonna manage these templates to make them look like they are pretty much combined in one picture. So first of all, I'm gonna do is to add this here, and I'm gonna change the colors so they can be something like that, and I'm gonna change the upper one to be, for example, in this color, but I want it to be lighter, and this one to be like that. So I'm gonna now go ahead to the layers section and send backward again. Let's totally send them to the back, and there we go. So now we have added this this small design or this small effect. We can make this one bigger and send it more to the bottom or to the backward. Alright, now we have this design. What I would usually do, even right here, let me just add this one here. Alright, so what I would usually do even is to change a couple of things within here. So I would For example, here I'm gonna remove this, I'm gonna add this here, and I'm gonna remove about me from this section, and I'm gonna add it right here. Also, I'm gonna add like a small like place where I'm gonna add these things which are very necessary, and I'm gonna change the colors so they can match our idea, and basically I'm just gonna add them to here. So this, what I'm doing right now, is not only redesigning the picture but also, or add an element to the picture, but also mapping the picture itself. So here I'm gonna copy all of this section like that, for example. There we go, something like that is good, and I'm gonna move it to the top. Oh, I need to copy this as well. Right, and there we go. So now we have remapped this design, and we have it now, which somehow it is unique. We can add a couple of elements later on, but for now that's pretty much what I want. I can like add something right here, put this down, and these elements can be colored obviously like that, and we can like do several changes into it. So you got the main idea of it. Let's add, for example, this like that here. This one, which is in black, we can add like another color. On this black color here, we can add this one or that one or something like that. And yeah, this is a cool design that we made. Now after we did that, we need to list it on Shopify. So we have to log into our Shopify store and go ahead and log into our account. So let's go like here and go ahead and start by adding this to our store. So first of all, what you have to do is to go ahead and basically click on all stores, and from this area click on create store, and from here you have to skip all and click on next. And right after that, you are going to simply go ahead and click on new product. So once the website is created, click on add new product. So let's go right here, add products, and here I'm just gonna give it a name, for example, Canva design. Give it like a small description. Here you can take a screenshot of it and add it as your main picture. So Canva desktop, and I'm gonna add it right here. So desktop Canva, and simply now I'm gonna give it a price. And once I am done by editing all this page, you simply have to click on save. Once it is saved, make sure that you are removing this is a physical product, since it is not a physical product, and then click on save again. Once it is done, your product has been added, and now you can start selling this Canva design on your Shopify store. This is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.